Hey guys, this is your instructional video for November 10th. So you're going to be doing an answer with pictures assignment. This is your second one, but it's going to be a little bit different because of the fact that I can't send you a document to put the pictures in. You're going to have to make yours, and that's because I'll be on maternity leave at that point. So what I want you to do is to read pages 179 to 183, and you're going to answer these questions with pictures. So what you'll do is you'll copy them. You'll say copy or Control C. There's only 12 of them. And then you'll go to an untitled Google Doc, which Google Docs are very easy to find. They are under your Google account. And then you will say Control V, which allows you to paste what you just copied onto the document. And you're going to, of course, want to make sure that you put your name on there, so I know whose work it is. And then you're going to answer the question. So you'll say, for example, who helped found the first American Board of Commissioners for Foreign Missions? And you should be able to answer that question because you have done your reading, and you will go over to the side like you did before and insert a picture like you did before. So we'll just give you an example. So we'll go to insert image, and then we'll say search the web. And then we know from our reading that it was Samuel Mills who helped found the Board of Commissioners. So I'll type in Samuel Mills. And there's his picture, and then I would, well, actually, let me put some space. You want to put some space in between you and your question in the picture. Okay, so then we would say insert. And that's a huge picture, but we'll be able to figure it out. And also, you can always resize things if you need to. See, much better. All right, that is your assignment for today. Thank you.